How to install the real Firefox on Debian. Debian 6, Squeeze, uses a rebranded version of Firefox called Iceweasel. It, however, lacks plugin support, and most of my favorites don't work. So what is best way to install the real Firefox on Debian?
First, you need to remove the existing Iceweasel package. I think you can use Aptitude as well. Then, download the latest Linux build of Firefox directly from Mozilla. Extract the files, and navigate to that folder, and run it. If you want, make an icon on your desktop, and you can also make a link to the binary in /user/bin/Firefox to make it easier to launch. If you have root access, you can also install Firefox in /user/local so all users will be able to run it. After this, double check that automatic updates are enabled, and you should be up and running. If you want a package-based one, you can use Linux Mint's Debian package repo, as noted in the comments below. Be aware that this may cause conflicts with automatic updates and other Debian packages in some cases. To do this, add the following line to your /etc/apt/sources.list file. And add the GPG key for that repo. Then, just run. And you should be good to go. The default install is German. To install in any other language, you can manually run. Packages names for other common language include official repository list, scroll halfway down.
There's a SourceForge project, basically dedicated to allowing you to get the latest version of Firefox when running Ubuntu, no matter which version you run, as long as dependencies are satisfied, obviously. Since Ubuntu is a Debian derivative, I thought I'd try it. I've got Firefox working on Debian testing, wheezy, just fine. Run this. This resolves the GPG key issue that is encountered when using the imported Linux Mint repository, and is significantly simpler than the other viable solution. Also, this gives you access to Thunderbird and SeaMonkey as well. Note that this solution only gives you the English as release channel version, no beta or Aurora builds. Other languages can be used, but additional steps are required. See the project page at Ubuntuzilla for more information.
This post on the Debian user forums suggests the following. Download latest Firefox from this URL. If using J, remember to escape any and with, so it doesn't break the URL down into a series of background process. Copy the downloaded file to /opt. Extract it using change the permissions of the file. Note that the user should be a group member of users. Create a symbolic link. Delete Firefox x.x.20.tar.bz2 from /opt. To install new versions, you are supposed to make a desktop icon, do this. Edit this using your favorite text editor. Contents of Firefox.desktop. You can remove Iceweasel with. If you encounter this error, you should probably install. Chances are that you are trying to install the 32-bit version of Firefox in a 64-bit Debian environment.
No need for this anymore. Debian stable started shipping Firefox instead of Iceweasel today. Debian will ship the extended support release, ISRA of Firefox, which is roughly updated every 9 months. If you always need the latest version, the others' answers may still be an option for you. For more information, see the Debian bug report.
Firefox